Assalamualaikum dear students. I am here today to explain this example 2.3 in which there is written find the angle between the two forces of equal magnitude. If two forces have equal magnitude, we let first force as F1 and second force as F2. When the magnitude of their resultant is also equal to the magnitude of either of these forces. If, dear students, F is the resultant force, then according to given data, F1 is also equal to F and F2 force is also equal to the resultant force F. Two forces F1 and F2 are given that they are equal, and both these forces are also equal to the resultant force. So we should remember here that F is equal to F1 is equal to F2. It will help us to solve this example. According to the given situation, dear students, I am going to draw x-axis here. And y-axis here. I am going to draw the first vector with the red color. It starts from origin and move towards positive x-axis. Now there is another force which is F2. According to head to tail rule, this is our force F2. According to given condition, the resultant force, which is represented by red color, is here, and it is told to us that white force, which is F1, has the same magnitude as blue force, which is F2, and both these forces have the same magnitude as the resultant vector. Dear students, if F1 is equal to F2 is equal to F2, तो ऐसी कंडीशन के अंदर अगर ये टू फोर्सेस हेड टू टेल ज्वाइन करें और थर्ड रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर ड्रा करें, तो इट फॉर्म्स a simple equilateral triangle. If it is an equilateral triangle, we know that all of its interior angles are 60 degree. But we are asked to calculate the angle between white vector and blue vector, and the angle will always be taken from positive x-axis to the second vector, and this angle we have to calculate. We simply know that theta is the exterior angle and 60 is interior angle. 60 plus theta plus theta is equal to 180 degree, as both angles are on the one side of a straight line, so these are supplementary angles. From here we just simply calculate 180 minus 60 degrees equal 120. So dear students, most probably our answer will be 120 after all these calculations, but it is a guess that angle will be 120 degree. And if this theta is mentioned as theta 2, because the theta 1 which white force is making, that theta is 0, because white vector is acting along x-axis, so its theta, which will be called theta 1, is equal to 0, and theta 2 we have to calculate. The angle यहाँ पे हम आ जाते हैं, यहाँ पे फोर्स जो F1 है उसका जो थीटा होगा that will be theta 1 and it will be equal to 0 because the first force is acting along x-axis, and the second force, which is F2, it is making an angle theta 2 with positive x-axis, and this angle we have to calculate. Now we use the formula. We are interested to calculate the x component of resultant vector, which will be f1x plus f2x. Write their formula. Fx is equal to f1 cos theta 1 plus f2 cos theta 2. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर हमें पता है कि f1 भी इक्वल टू f है और f2 भी इक्वल टू f है, तो हम f1 भी खत्म कर देते हैं, इसकी जगह पे f लिखते हैं। थीटा 1 ऑलरेडी हमें पता है कि 0 है, f2 की जगह पे भी हम f लिख देते हैं, और cos थीटा 2 इसको लिखा रहने देते हैं क्योंकि थीटा 2 हमें कैलकुलेट करना है। वी नो दैट cos थीटा cos 0 इज इक्वल टू 1 होता है, सो fx is equal to f plus f cos theta 2. This is the answer of our x component. We note it as equation number 1. Now dear students, we move towards the y component of the resultant vector, which will be fy, and it is equal to the y component of vector f1 plus y component of vector f2. Write the formula of f1y and f2y. f1y is equal to f1 sin theta 1 and f2y is equal to f2 sin theta 2. fy is equal to this value, यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट करते हैं f साइन 0, थीटा 1 जो है 0 है, और f1 की जगह f लिख दिया, f2 की जगह पर भी f लिख दिया, और साथ में साइन थीटा 2 लिख दिया। We already know that sin theta is equal to 0. So first term will be vanished. Only we have f sin theta 2. This is our equation number 2. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we write f square is equal to fx square plus fy square. Write the values of fx, which is equal to f plus f cos theta 2 whole square, and the other one is fy, whose answer is f sin theta 2 whole square. Open the formula. F square f square cos square theta 2 plus 2 into first value f और second value क्या है f cos theta 2 and last value इसको हम लिख लेते हैं f square sin square theta 2. Dear students, f2 is equal to f square. We collect cos theta and sin theta where we take common. It will be very easy that we take common f square from these two values which I have underlined with red color. So if we take f square from these two values, inside bracket there will be cos theta 2 plus sin theta 2 plus only there is this value remaining and it is 2 f multiplied by f is called f square and cos theta 2 f square minus f square is equal to f square. We know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 f square cos theta. These two values will be cancelled. 0 is equal to f square plus 2f square cos theta 2. We move this f square to the left side, which will be equal to 2f square cos theta 2. Now minus f square divided by 2f square is equal to cos theta 2. F square will be cancelled with f square, so we have minus 1 over 2 is equal to cos theta 2. Here we write cos theta 2 is equal to minus 1 over 2. Theta 2 is equal to cos inverse minus 1 over 2, so called 0.5 भी लिख सकते हैं आप इसको, और थीटा इज इक्वल टू cos इनवर्स ब्रैकेट के अंदर आप minus 0.5 लिखें, you will be able to get 120.
Audio